everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will be sharing with you my recipe of chicken korma. For this recipe we will need 1 kg of chicken, 3 to 4 medium sized chopped onion, half cup of curd, few basic spices like 3 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder which gives beautiful red color to korma, salt to taste, and few other ingredients like 1 teaspoon of cumin, 12 to 15 cashew, few black pepper and cloves, 2 stick of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 4 to 5 green cardamom, few strands of mace, 1 nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of poppy seed and desiccated coconut powder. First step is brining the chicken, and this is done by soaking chicken in salty water for approximately 2 to 3 hours, as brining adds flavor and keep the chicken juicy and tender. Keep it for 2 to 3 hours, and after that wash the chicken pieces thoroughly with fresh normal water. So let's start cooking. Take a pressure cooker and add 3 big spoons of refined oil. You can add an extra spoon of oil but not less than 3. Otherwise your korma won't look good. Now the oil has heated up and it's time to add chopped onions into it. After about 10 minutes of cooking, our onion will start to look like this, and at this point we will take half of the onions out, and to the other half we will add cumin seed, black peppercorns and cloves, cinnamon, both black green cardamoms, and mace. We will give them a stir, and after that we will add all the chicken pieces one by one in the cooker. Now I am adding freshly made ginger garlic paste, without which korma is just incomplete. Mix it well and cook it for a while till the rawness goes away. Here I am adding dry coconut powder. It provides proper consistency to the korma, and curd. We will also add our spices at this time, which I forgot to record. Stir it and allow it to cook for 2-3 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare the paste of fried onions, poppy seeds, and cashew. Poppy seeds and cashew provide creaminess and nutty flavor to the recipe, and our paste is ready. So it's been around 3 minutes and the oil has separated. Now we will add about 1 cup of water. Then we will close the lid and pressure cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. This is how our korma looks after 4 whistles of cooking on medium flame. Chicken is nice and tender. It's nicely done. And now I will be adding our already grounded onion, cashew and poppy seed paste into the pressure cooker. Mix it well and then add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. This is my homemade garam masala and it smells amazing. Next, I will be adding around half teaspoon of nutmeg powder and then around 5 to 6 drops of Keuda water. Stir it, close the lid, and now cook on slow flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the flame and do not open the lid for another 15 minutes. Now you see oil has separated well, our korma looks amazing and it is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with roti, paratha or homemade naan. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.